Hi, my name is Kim Barthel, and I'm an occupational therapist with a specialty in sensory processing, neurobiology, attachment, trauma, and movement. I'm very excited to share with you an upcoming online series called Do You See What I See? Sponsored by Crest in Hong Kong. This series will be held between October the 13th and November the 7th. It is an in-depth look at how the vestibular system, the visual system interact together, how they impact posture, regulation, cognition, and emotion. Additionally, what makes this workshop so special is an in-depth science around the interventions, especially targeted towards the visual system. I'm going to be accompanied by my colleague Stephen Chan, who is going to speak about his work with eye tracker and the use of technology in support of the vestibular visual system. Please join us for this exciting online series.